Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is a workflow video how to create such spiral ammonite or snail shells. Okay, so there are many workflows, but I show you this one. There you can also experiment with alphas. So snail shell icon. So I like yeah. Is there one I haven't made yet? Yeah, I picked this one here. So such a spiral shape. So I use Procreate to adjust a little bit the thing. So I use it like this here. Then I invert the whole thing. And here I have to adjust a little bit the curves. Yeah. I share it as a JPEG. So, and now back to Nomad Sculpt. So I add a plane primitive. So the other ones I hide at the moment. So I validate this one, and here we need more topology, linear subdivision, and I subdivide the mesh up to 270,000 vertices. So wireframe off. Okay. And here symmetry we don't need at the moment. So let's use the mask tool. So here you find in the stroke settings here, lock radius option here and flat fall off. So this one. Okay, so I import my shell. So I made the same once before. So I delete it again also. I deleted the wrong one. Sorry. I have to rename. Okay, so then here stamp on the plane the spiral shape. So I press here once sharpen. And so here I make a second one of this. So I use here a clone and object. So I move it here to the side. So we have two versions. So version 1 is I invert the mask and I convert the face groups. And now I use the move tool, and here you find an option for the normal direction. So, and here you can move up the snail thing. So, and I clear now the mask, clear. And here in the symmetry menu, I choose the Y plane and mirror like this here. And now I use the operations menu, and so we check the wireframe. So, and here you can play with smoothing. So stable smoothing, smooth the whole thing a little bit. And then here checkbox, and so we can relax the mesh, smooth a little bit more, and inflate. So you have to play with the sliders till you're happy. So with the whole thing, and then inflate again, like this here. And then it's also possible, so we have a lot of poly count, so here I use decimation. So let's preserve the geometry maybe like this, a little bit more like 50%. So I decimate the whole thing. And here it's possible now to smooth again. And then I use the quadri measure. Then you get something here like this. Okay, and the other mesh here. So let's work with this one. So I need the mask tool, and here in the mask settings, I set the height to 0 and extract it. So you get now such a shape. And let's use the move tool. And here also the normal direction thing. So and then I use mask again, mask the whole thing, and here in the height in a negative direction. Maybe like this, and extract the shell. Okay, let's see the wireframe. Operations menu, and here first I try with stable smoothing or stable relaxing, and then stable off, inflate, smooth, inflate. So let's decimate the whole thing a little bit. So then you get such a shell. To turn the wireframe off and use the view mode. Let's look inside. Looks like this. So nice. Okay. Yeah, that's it for this video. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.